Hi, welcome to Level Talk. Come on in, I'm Russ. We've got Si behind the camera, let's all wave to Si. Today we're going to talk to you about Wonder Wheel's Colour Active. I've used this a few times on my cars, the wife's and mine, multiple different models. We're going to use it today on Si's. I found it very good. It doesn't do any damage, it's non-acidic. But we're going to give you a close-up demonstration so you can take a view for yourself on how effective this thing is. Let's go to the close-up. Okay guys, here we are with a close-up of the wheel we're going to clean. Here's our Colour Active. I have a way of doing it. I tend to go around the outsides and then do the spokes to make sure I get full coverage. We'll do that first. You have to be aware that this thing's a little bit smelly. It smells a bit like rotten eggs. Not the nicest smells, I've got to say. But hey, it does its job and that's what counts. Okay, so I've gone around the edge now and I'll do the insides of the wheel rim. And now I'll do the spokes and try and get all the edges. You don't have to be too accurate with this, simply because of the next stage that I apply when I'm doing it, which I find is the most effective way. Okay, it says liberally apply. That's fine. So the way I go about it, I use an auto gleam wheel brush after that. And the approach I apply is this. I go around the edges first. You can already start seeing to come off. Okay, that's it with the brush now. So I'll set a timer on his phone for 3 minutes. Alright guys, okay, we've had our 3 minutes now. After the couple of minutes it took me to clean the thing. Got our trusty hose pipe. We'll just wash the wheel off now. And then we'll go to a close-up of the wheel post-cleaning. So you can see how good or bad this stuff really is. As you can see guys, it's done a really clean job. Especially considering how mucky the wheel was.